So for question number 2, we've gone through a couple of examples. We went and graphed $1.25, and that was less than the $2.50 line. We did a $15 per notebook, that crazy gold-plated one, and that was way higher than all of them, steeper. It was not straight up and down, but it was really steep. We did this $3 one that was in between the $2.50 and the $5 one. So tell me, what do you notice about the steepness of the lines? How are they related to the equations? How are they related to the rate of change? Gabby. Oh, say that again. Did that work for every single one that we did? The greater the rate of change, the steeper the line. That's the answer to number 2. The greater the rate of change, steeper the line is. Period at the end. And so for 3, we're going to make a conjecture. Remember, that means a really good guess without graphing. Predict which graph has a steeper line. Is it going to be 3x or y equals 1/3 x and y? I want you to write an answer for number 3 on your paper. Which one is going to have a steeper line and y, and then we're going to test it out. Number 3. Answer question 3. You guys aren't staying there, just, bugging me. And then we're going to, thumbs up is 3x, thumbs down is 1/3 x. Which one is steeper, 3x or 1/3 x? 3x is steeper, 1/3 x. 3x is steeper or 1/3 is steeper? Which one? I am going to clear them out and we're going to look. 3x. You have to put 1/3 in parentheses because otherwise, oh, you can't see it. Oh, I paused it. All right, we're going to check for number 3. We're going to check if 3x is steeper or if 1/3 x is steeper. Most of you are thinking that 3x is steeper. Let's take a look. They're going to graph that one first. There's 3x and there is 1/3 x. That is absolutely correct. Explain to me, what did you write on there as to why 3x has to be steeper? What did you say, Brevin? Ooh, that's a really good, and you could easily write just the greater than sign and have not very many words. Based on what we said, the greater the rate of change, the steeper the line is. I'm telling you that's a true statement. That's a good explanation. What were you going to say?
I said that 3x is a whole number, and then 1/3 is a fraction of that number.
Of that number. Okay, and so good. I'm so glad you added that last little bit on. It's a fraction of that number, which would imply then that it's less than. If you would just say it's a fraction, what about this one? Which one would be better? Which one's going to be steeper here? What if I have 2x and I have 5 halves x? Which one of these is going to be steeper? 2x or 5 halves x? It's not on there, but I want to know which one of those. 2x is steeper or 5 halves is steeper? Which one? 2x or 5 halves? Which one will be steeper? And be able to tell me why. 2x, 5 halves. Which one is steeper? 2x,
Wait a minute.
5 halves. Tell me why. Who knows? Dale.
If you add up all the I have,
Uh-huh.
greater than 2x.
Yes. So, because it was a fraction of that number, it was okay. If you just said fraction, not okay, because this fraction has a value that's greater than just 2. What a great statement. We're getting much better at being really specific in our writing. It is a skill. It's hard. Good work. Okay.